today to welcome you, one and all, to a celebration of Festival of the Lion King. Let's go. Welcome to our world. Oh, to belong in this land. We welcome you. Can you move? Welcome. We are a band of singers who travel with Simba and his friends throughout the land with this celebration. Time for introductions. My name is Kiyume, and I am the leader of our group. Kiyume is Swahili for masculine and strong. What do you think? Next we have the cow.
Which is Swahili for good looking.
Hello, good looking.
And finally we have Suwadi.
Which is Swahili for the gift. The gift. And if you want to stay good looking, you best back off the attitude business.
Okay. Ooh, hey everyone, I think I hear them coming.
Wonderful. Right on time. Everyone,
Listen.
it is time. And now, I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration. And you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun. Come on, everybody, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to a celebration of Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin! I just can't wait to be
Hiya, folks. How you doing? Don't worry, your old buddy Timon is here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
Oh, Timon, glad you can make it. We couldn't have a celebration without you, old friend. Don't worry, you'll have your time in this spotlight. Oh, I just can't wait to be
Hello? Hello?
Hello, Pumbaa.
Look at me. I'm in a parade.
And you're looking good. Love you, Pumbaa.
What are you?
There he is, the mighty pachyderm. Let me hear you, trumpet triumphant.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Homer, Timon. Hey, look, everyone, it's the Lion King. Welcome, Simba. You're right on time. Hey, guys. It looks like we're all here. Let's go.
Let every creature go the world can see. Let's hear it in the herd.
No, not you, Pumpkin.
There's a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of the rolling world can be turned away. An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be